For you I was a flame. Love is a losing game. 5-story fire as you can. Love is a losing game. One I wish I never played. Oh, what a mess we made.
Morning vlog. Hi guys, I'm just getting my hair done. It says excellent hair. I'll have the link to their, actually I won't use their website. I'll put their phone number in the description box below because that's the best way to contact them. And I'm having a seaweed treatment. I've had it before and it really strengthened my hair. I told you guys that my hair was damaged from being blonde, so I'm just trying to repair it now. So I'm gonna do a treatment, wash, and then I'm gonna do some braids. So I'll just show you guys that.
Coming here really nice. Yeah, just having a break with your hair.
Break. So this one, either you could tie the strings here, like at the sides, or you could bring the string around, or maybe you could even bring the string up around your neck. So this is like a multi-wear. I tried it on just so you guys could see the material. I'm not impressed. It's a sheer material, it's stretchy. I thought the top was a bit too long for me because I'm one of the petite girls, but then I don't like the way it looks. So I'm thinking to either remix it and wear it as like a daytime dress with some black underbits, so it wouldn't be as see-through as it is now. But I don't know, maybe it will look different with the blue bikini that I intended to wear it with, or maybe even a nude one. I don't know, but let's see. But this is it. Like I would probably say I wouldn't buy this, or I may slightly return it. I'm gonna try it with my blue bikini tomorrow, but I'm just so knackered right now. I tried putting on the cover up and it's not working. This is meant to come over like a half shoulder. This is meant to be a skirt, like an elongated skirt with a slit at the side. It's just not working out for me. It's 2 a.m. I'm finally sleepy, so I think I may have to end the try-on haul here. Sorry for the chaotic vibes. The next haul that I do, I'm gonna try and make it up to you guys. I'll just do you guys like how I did my first Brittle thing haul, or I just sat down, showed you guys the clothes, tried it on. I will try to do that for my next one. No promises because life is hectic and depression is real. I hate when people are in the gym, fam.
redness, but nothing too advanced, nothing too intense. And this can be done at any time of the day. Which areas of the body you need to give your right shoulder, and tilt your head back a little bit. So you're getting a nice pull underneath your chin and through the left side of your neck. Try not to lean or slouch forward. And you can almost not only tighten your jaw, but if you really close your teeth together and really reach and stretch your chin forward, you should be able to feel this a little bit more. From your left ear all the way to the top of your left shoulder, down. And inhale, lift back up, shrug in the opposite direction. And just taking one more here, staying in our shoulders, upper back, and neck. Open up your arms into a little cactus shape. Really. And maybe you just stay here, pushing your hands and forearms together. Or you can also tuck your chin to your chest to intensify the sensation. Up the hands forward and fold on down. You might just be staying up on your forearms, or you can stack your wrists, propping yourself up, or you might be a little bit more flat towards the floor.
Oh, my poor edges. I need to go post office today because I have some orders to package. But I need to go on the road for an appointment first. So let me go do that appointment, and then I can come home, package the orders, go post office, go to the bank. I also need to study. I'm trying to study in the night, like even 30 minutes every day. Just study my course. But oh, what am I looking for? Oil. You know when you're craving something, that's the thing when I'm taking my cravings, oh my gosh. It's like if I don't eat, I'm done. Yesterday I made 3 boiled eggs. I only had, the other day I made only 3 boiled eggs. The other day I made 3 boiled eggs. I only had 1. Waste of egg. And I hate cold boiled eggs. Oh my gosh, why did you not fry babe? Hey beauty. Yeah, I'm a different.
You know, I did not notice this first time. I love the color.
I know, girl. That's why I had to put it down, because I said she ain't saying nothing. Let me put it down so she can see me.
Nah, this is nice. The color is especially like when you have your makeup.
Love is a losing game. My story fire as you came. Love is a losing game. One I wish I never played. Oh, what a mess we made.
Guys, so I'm just gonna have breakfast. The chips are still in the air fryer. I'm just gonna have the egg now with some croissants. But I'm not gonna vlog my appointment now. It's a private appointment. But when I return from that appointment, I will continue the vlog. I will either come home, do the orders, go post office and the bank with you guys, or the other way around, the bank then post office, because I believe the Jamaican national. Let me see what time it close, because you know they love to close as if they're in Jamaica. Jamaica National opening and closing time. I could even go to the bank tomorrow, you know, maybe tomorrow is a better day. Today what day? See if we can catch it for 5, yeah? So I'll talk to you guys later. Let me see, because these people love
Track?
Yes. No. Yeah. Thank you. Yes, me should I really bring my tripod down? But it's a catch. Catch! Come, that's my friend. Big up yourself. Yes, Mr. Postman. What's the day? 24?
24.
Where is the time going?
Hey, nearly a month gone.
A month already, I know. The Lord is coming soon.
And now the final frame.
Just doing mine now.
Love is a losing
Take up the
game.
chairs.
Played out by the
Are we
best.
done? Hey guys. I made it to pole class. I'm just waiting on someone to come let me in. It is absolutely freezing. It's not night, by the way. It's only just 6:30, but this is flipping England, babe. It gets dark at 4 p.m. and I'm gonna say on the channel every time I get a chance to say, because this is not real life, but it is real life at the same time. Oh no, I'm not on a patient, so I'm gonna press it 3, 4, 5 times until somebody come down.
Hello?
Hello, here for a 7 p.m. class.
Okay, it's open. We'll be down soon.
Thank you. My finger them numb. Oh Lord have mercy. This is such a black face, that's killing me. You know, say HSBC have my pan old face. Guys, guess how long I've been on the phone with HSBC? That's why I didn't vlog my journey. They're just picking up now that I'm at pole class. Come on. It's up one stairs. Yeah, Daniel, know, so we're late for the class?
With what dances?
Yeah.
This one up here is studio recording. I don't know where that one is.
Oh, it's here though. This is so odd. This is doing my head in. Everybody's here. Guys, you wanna meet Daniel? Daniel, you wanna meet the vlog?
No, because I look so stank.
Come here, girl, let's think, girl.
You can do
Pretty
this in my
and
camera.
clean. Period. I'm gonna put up on Instagram with them to see a band clean, ever clean. Yeah, Daniel does. Guys, we must have changed for the look of class now.
Yeah, Daniel does.
You see Daniel body good?
Love is a losing hand. More than I could stand. you're a gambling man. Love is a losing hand. Though I battle blind, love is a fate resigned. Memories mar my mind. Love is a fate resigned over futile arms, laughed at by the gods. Now the final frame. Love is a all right.
Yes, from the back. Yes, yeah, yeah, so if you just smell it down and it will be, I think it will help you understand what you're looking into. Okay. Yes. It's so bad. Let me catch you a catch. I love you.